Morning to all of you. Today we shall study English in class 10th and we are going to study the second lesson of book first. The title of our lesson is on violence and we are going to study the second part of this lesson. This lesson is going to be explained by Mrs. Sunita Singh. On violence means the act to harm or to hurt somebody physically. There is violence between husband, wife and children. It means violence is found not only in the outer world but also in our family but also in our home. The first picture shows that both husband and wife are fighting, both are quarreling. And the second picture shows both the children are fighting with each other. There is violence, antagonism, hate, cruelty, ugly, criticism, anger. All this is inherent in man, inherent in each human being. Inherent is the feeling or is the act that is found in human being right from his birth. It can't be removed. It is the permanent feeling or permanent act of the human being. And all the feelings of hate, ugliness, saying bad comments, cruelty and anger, all these are found in the human being right from his birth. It is inherent in you. It means it is found in every person. It is found in ourselves also. And education is supposed to help you to go beyond all that. It means only education can help us to come up from all these feelings. Not merely to pass an examination and get a job. Education does not mean that we should get good marks, we should get better job and get success in our life. It also helps us to remove all the bad feelings, all the bad act from ourselves. You will become like the rest of the cruel, hard, bitter, angry, violent world, and you will not help to bring about a new society, a new world. If you don't get proper education, you are doing the same as the rest of the world is doing, and you can't make a new world. But a new world is necessary, a new culture is necessary. But we have to make a new world, a new culture. The old culture is dead, buried, burned, exploded and vaporized. Today, more and more people are getting education and they are able to think which things are wrong and which things are correct. So they are removing the bad traditions, the bad culture from our world. So the old culture is dead, buried, means the things which are not good for our world, for our society is being removed or is being vaporized, it being finished. You have to create a new culture. A new culture cannot be based on violence. It means it's our duty that we should make a new culture. A new culture is achieved only by only getting education. A new culture cannot be helped to create a new culture.